What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back. More tech, more reviews, and of course, right here in front of us, you know what time it is. Galaxy Z Fold 6 in hand. We're gonna be unboxing it. I'll give you my first impressions. So let's talk. All right, so this is it. I picked up the blue version. Blue, so orange is my number one favorite color. Blue is my second. And we do have the 512 gigabyte version. Get all that trash to the side. If you notice, we do have the original Samsung Slim S Pen case right there. And this is what we are going to be greeted with. Look at that. Has a, let's make sure it's no like paper on it first, because if it has no paper on it, this is a nice build. Very nice. So first thing, always, we got to pull off this paper and reveal that display. That's what we got right there. And of course, peel that off, revealing that display. And right up front, you can tell it's a little more boxy. And we gotta take this sticker off, of course. And like I said, if it's no plastic or anything on there. So that is a frosted matte blue. I like that. I like the feel in the hand. It's a little bit more rectangle, more boxy, more edgy. It gives you a little bit of better grip than that round edging. Looks really good. And that fold is as smooth. Smooth to open up. Let's get it turned on. You gotta get it turned on. Does it have any battery life? It may not have any battery life out of the box, y'all. Okay, there we go. So we got the Samsung logo. And I like how they still advertise secured by Knox. So we forgot about Knox. A lot of people don't even think about Knox anymore. That was a big feature years and years and years ago. So right off too, look at those. That is real. That is the camera. That is the camera. Blacked out around the edging. I like this already. Of course, no S Pen support for the actual housing. Like, it supports S Pen usage, but no housing of an S Pen. Of course, you get the quick start guide like we normally do. All this legal mumbo jumbo. You do get a USB Type-C to C cable right there. And of course, a SIM eject tool. All that is now garbage and refuse. So we gotta protect this bad boy. The first case I'm gonna put on here today is going to be this Samsung case, because I love this case on my other one, on the 5. I loved the official Samsung casing. All right, so unboxing that, you do get some tips and the tool to actually replace the tips of your S Pen. Keep all that stuff to the side. The front has, of course, stickies. So you take those little stickies off, and that is what you're left with. Oh, we got one that we missed. So 3 stickies in total. Take all those off. Of course, we know what this is. This is the back. It tells you that the S Pen slides, or you slide this and pop your pencil out. So I went with this variation. I'm not a fan of this pink pencil, but I had the blue phone, so I had to go with the blue case. Like, they only got 3 versions, and the other ones just would not match my device. This is slick. This is slick and slippery. And the stickies are gonna actually be the adhesive tabs that are gonna allow this front to stick on a little bit better. So I like the blacked out camera lenses. Like I said, I'm not a fan of this pink pencil, but you know, hey, it'll do. And your side is open for your volume and your power button. Everything up top looks good with that case, and down bottom. You do have a wider little bit of a gap here for your for your charging port, sorry. And then your spine is wide open. So that is one drawback to these cases, which we still like to see the Samsung logo on there. But with that spine being open, this paint is really easy to chip. Actually chipped it a little bit on my 5, but that is it. So we are getting that welcome screen. So y'all know what time it is. We gotta like get everything set up and do all that. But my first impressions is that I like this. It feels pretty light. I like the edging. I like the cornered off edges, the squared off rectangle shape of it. Feels good in the hand. This case is slick and slippery though. So if you wanna get this case, just remember it is slick. This case does support wireless charging, so you really don't have to worry about that, and it doesn't add a whole lot of bulk to this device. But as nice as this device looks, y'all, like I said, I gotta get this off. I don't wanna break it already. And we did take the adhesives off, but I'm gonna be taking cases on and off like for the next few days or so. But I like the feel. Now this is slick itself, but I like that blue. I can't argue with it. It looks nice, it's clean. I like it a lot. So as mentioned, you know what time it is. We gotta get all the information ported over, and we will come back with a follow-up in about a week or so. All right, so as always, I got to put like all my information in. I gotta get it fully charged up. I gotta do testing, all that good stuff. But in the meantime, you will be seeing a bunch of different cases that I got in. I got a bunch of them sitting to the side. We'll be talking about those cases, how they're gonna benefit you, or even if they're going to benefit you in your phone. I also have screen protectors and a bunch of different little accessories for this device. So stay tuned. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.